Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just want to do a quick video today. I had some issues with my car. This is a 2011 Chevy Cruze LTZ 1.4 turbo. So if you look at there, you see the 1.4. So long story short, my thermostat went out. So basically the symptoms it gave me was a check engine light. After the check engine light, the thermostat, when the thermostat is bad, the symptoms on my car, the symptoms it gave me was the fan would always run high. For some reason, the fan would always just be on high. So after I noticed that, the first time I changed it, everything went down to normal. So I guess it went bad again. So the fact that it went bad, I believe it's just the manufacturer and the part. It lasted about 8 months, and here's the part. I got it from Amazon. Next day delivery. Do I have a part number for you guys? Yes, but they're blocking it. So let's see if we can see it right here. Here we go. I believe that's the part number. I hope so. But the part number is behind there, so you can't see it. So that's the symptoms it gave me. The fan would always run on high. So basically, to change the thermostat, you get in here. You're going to have, sorry that I started the job without getting to you guys first. I just had to change this. So you're just gonna have 3 bolts, one there, one down there. You take those bolts off, thermostat comes out. You're gonna have this hose that connects right here. Take that off. Take off the thermostat connection, and you're just gonna have one little hose you gotta unclamp right down there. Once you unclamp those holes, thermostat comes out and you're good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that job done, and after I get that job done, I'll get back to you guys. So this is a Chevy Cruze LTZ 1.4 turbo thermostat change. So that's how it looks. Here is the new thermostat right here. Here is the new thermostat, and I'm gonna go ahead and connect this and get everything connected, and we're gonna start. We're gonna finish it. All right, YouTube, I got the thermostat in. All you have to do is retrace the same steps you did. Put the thermostat on. Those 3 bolts, 1, 2, and the last one under there. I tighten it up. Put the hose back. Now I'm gonna hook the sensor up, and I'm gonna hook up all the small little things I need to put back on the air filter hose, and put some coolant in there, and we're done. So thermostat change, real easy, simple process. You don't need to take your car to a mechanic. And what I'll do too is, oh man, okay, yes, I'll do that. I'll go inside with the computer and I'll show you the code that I had, and then I'll delete it, and you'll see the code is no longer there anymore. All right, here we go with my OBD2 scanner, Maxi Scan, model number 309. Bought this on eBay like 4 or 5 years ago. Worked wonders, never had any issues with it. So you're gonna see, once I connect this up down to the port at the bottom, you're gonna see that we're gonna have that code. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you that the code is still on there, and then I'm gonna erase the code to show you that the problem was fixed once I've replaced the thermostat with the housing. All right, as you can see, we got the unit powered up, and I'm going to turn my key on to the on position. Key is on the on position. All right, I turned my key onto the on position, and you actually see 3 codes. That's because I had 3 codes. The Cadillac system efficiency below threshold, I have that one. I also have the evaporative emission system high purge flow, which I did replace the purge valve also too. And I have, you see, thermostat heater control circuit open. So you see I have all 3 of these codes here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna erase them, and What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go put some coolant in the car, and then you will see that all 3 codes are gone, and car is perfect. All right, as you can see, there is no check engine light. Check engine light is gone. Everything is good. You can see here, read codes, 0 codes are found, so problem fixed. So if you have that issue, thermostat problem, change the thermostat, 20, 40 bucks, you're good to go, no problem. So the tools you'll need for this job, a handy pliers, flathead, a magnet catcher, just in case you drop the bolt like I did, and a 5/16 wrench, ratchet, whatever you want to use. Those are the tools needed. And you got the job done. Check. Everything's fine. Thermostat is there, no leaking, no issues. Problem fixed. With just these simple tools in 30-45 minutes. Refilled the reservoir up with water wetter. I prefer water wetter. That's for another subject, and that's a debate whether you prefer water wetter, antifreeze, whatever. Use what you prefer. Put some water wetter in that bad boy, and job done. Simple, easy task.